I'm shooting with this fucking phone which is Samsung S9 Plus. Camera is so good because your camera quality has to be good. Okay, your camera quality.
This is the story of me. I had started making videos for YouTube by my phone, but after listening friend, family talk, I had just given up. I had decided that now no more I'll do YouTube with my phone. I'll be waiting for DSLR camera, and I just had quit it. But I thought, let's start again. So again I started with where I had left. So again I started with my phone, no laptop, no nothing. Again I started recording YouTube video with my phone. That's how it started.
Those of you who are thinking to start their YouTube channel or TikTok or something like that, so be happy because this video is just for you. I'm gonna be telling you that why and how you don't need all the gears of YouTube which you thought and you think that you need it to start YouTube channel or TikTok. I'm gonna prove you in this video that we don't need any special gear, we don't need DSLR camera, we don't need professional mic, we don't need professional tripod, we don't need any lightning thing, we don't need any camera holder, we don't need anything to start in this line. All you need is a true heart, true passion that you really want to do it. If you really want to do it, then just go forward with this video. I'm going to be telling you that how we can do it without being prepared with all the gears which we think that we need it, but we don't need it though. Lots of you have already decided that you want to start your YouTube channel, but you have been waiting for your money to be saved enough that you can buy a DSLR camera, or you thinking that you will buy a professional mic or professional tripod, lightning and green green wall, whatever drama often people do. These are the sign of failure. Okay, means you just give excuses for yourself, like you want to do it, but you stopping yourself that now don't do it. When I'll buy DSLR camera, then I'll do it. These are excuses people give to themselves, and they don't even realize that how they fucking themselves. Don't do that. So if you are the one who keep telling yourself that now don't start, when I'll buy DSLR camera then I'll start, you can imagine it's excuses. So stop giving excuses to yourself, start doing YouTube or whatever. Right now at this very moment, the phone you are watching this video, you can start your YouTube channel in this phone. This phone has a camera, this phone has internet, so you can start editing with video in this, uploading video in this, every single thing. You don't need laptop, you don't need camera, you don't need anything to start YouTube channel. What you really need is right now in your hand, the phone you watching my video in. You don't need anything except your phone just to start. First start your channel, then see what to do, what not to do. For me personally, what I use is this Samsung S9 Plus. You can see this, you can check all the specifications about that. This quality right now at this very moment, I'm shooting with this fucking phone which is Samsung S9 Plus. Camera is so good, you don't need to buy branded phone because your camera quality has to be good. Okay, your camera quality has nothing to do with when this phone got released. Like this is an old model, that's why company is selling it now in very cheap price, but camera quality is still good. Happen about phone and the mic you need, because phone and mic are the most. And if you talk about this mic, this is Boya M1. This mic is very cheap and very easy because this wire has length is almost 20 meters, so it gives you freedom, like you can act like that you're using a wireless mic, so it's good. Let me put it back. So mic and tripod, you can buy any tripod. You don't have tripod, just keep your phone on any wall or any book, anything. You just need to hang your phone in some place that you can stand and you can do something. Or if if you're starting blogging, simply buy a tripod and just do it. You don't need anything. All the thing I told you need is less than, if you already have a phone, then you can start with your phone. This mic and this tripod will take less than 1,000 rupees. Can you imagine? Less than 1,000 rupees you need to start your YouTube channel, and you giving excuses to yourself that first I'll have money, then I'll buy DSLR camera, then I'll buy laptop, then I'll edit video, then I'll do this, blah blah blah. Don't give excuses to yourself. Whatever you want to do, just get it done with. Just get it done with. I just want to say only one thing: stop fucking procrastinating. I don't believe in procrastination. Whatever you need, to start your YouTube channel. You already have it. That's why you're watching this video. So just do it. Stop giving excuses to yourself and stop destroying your dream. There is no one who can kill your dream except you. Let me give you some example. So you must understand how people fuck themselves and they don't realize. I'm telling you. Like my friend, what he did, okay, he decided to go to gym. So first thing he did, he bought costly gloves, costly sneakers, t-shirt, trouser, all the thing he bought. He thought that yeah, I can do gym with that, but that's not the thing. In actually, if you really want to do gym, if you have passion to make a body, you know, you cannot make body with costly gloves and costly sneakers, trouser and all the gears. You don't need that. All you need is commitment. Okay, and what he did, he gone and he paid 1 year advance money to gym. Can you imagine? He paid 1 year advance money to gym, then he bought all the costly thing to the gym. He gone 1 month. In 1 month he realized gym is not his thing. You know, that's the thing is, if you get motivated by Salman Khan movie or any Bollywood actor, then trust me, that motivation not gonna work more than 15 days. So don't you do something, you know, when you are emotionally affected. Suppose you watch Salman Khan movie and then you decided to make body. Trust me, that motivation of Salman Khan movie not gonna work more than 15 days. You're gonna go to gym, you're gonna do and nothing gonna happen. Why you gonna do it? You know, your why should always be strong. If you don't know why you're doing it, you just saw Salman Khan movie or any movie, or you saw one handsome guy, that motivation won't work. That's why they're just saying, no one in this world have achieved anything by seeing motivational video. So ask yourself why you want to do this. If your why is strong, so when you will be giving up, that time you can motivate yourself that why you started. So make sure you get your dream done and subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.